Hello guys, today I will show you a secret hack that feels illegal to know. Peradventure you have exhausted your life when you are playing your Candy Crush. This is what you have to do. Look now, the hearts here is 4. It's 4, and you made your mistakes and you exhausted the hearts there, and they are telling you to wait for 1 day for some certain amount of time to so that the hearts will restore and you can now continue playing your game. This is what you have to do. Open to your setting, go to general, then look for time and date. Off the automatic time, go to setting, increase the date by 1, that is, go to 12, then go back to Candy Crush, then swipe it off, open it again. As you open it, you see that the life has been restored. You see now is now 5 instead of 4, so you can continue playing your game. And moreover, this is how all timer game does. So it's not only Candy Crush, you can use it in any of the games that are time bound. If you are seeing me new, my name is Promise, and I urge you subscribe, like and share this video for others to learn. I'll be posting another video, that secret hack on how to download any kind video from any social media in my next post, so don't miss it. Thank you.